corporation could be the next option, mining corporation. I want to remind the government and I want to remind the people of Goa that in 2012, I was one of the first persons who came up with the idea of auctioning. With due respect to Mr. Claude Alvarez, he started and he took up the issue, and finally we have reached this stage. आमी जेन्ना issue घेताले तेन्ना आमकां हांसताले. The BJP was laughing at me. So many people were laughing at me. I took it at that time. And I have not minced my words, whichever government was there, to tell them that Baba, auctioning to be done. Before 2012 even I spoke. But then we spoke about it first. And then I spoke about, that even Kuwait's success story is on auctioning. Natural resources should be auctioned. After the 2G spectrum order, till today, the loss that has been suffered from 2012 to now is the loss done to people of Goa by the BJP government. BJP government and Goenkarank loss kela. 600 crores ki detale thanna revenue for the state of Goa. And I was telling them, and I remember telling them at that point of time that it would come to more than 2,000 crores. आज आमकां सगळें फ्री दिवपा मेळटालें. आज आमकां hospital care, COVID care, hospitals, we could have given so many things free with this money. We were talking of more than 3,000, 4,000 crores of just plain auctioning only. And perhaps that would have been auctioning of one mine or two mines or three mines. आमगे कितू mine आय तुजे. आज हे सिच्युएशनाचेर हांव मागोता की गव्हर्मेंटाक ऑक्शनिंग म्हणटा प्रोसेस सारकें जाय न्ही. कॉम्पिटिटीव बिडिंग म्हणटा तें सारकें जाय न्ही. It should not be another scam. पयलो हांव वॉर्न करता गव्हर्मेंटाक, don't enter into any deals, and that be prepared to give the people of Goa justice. जें गोंयकारांक गेलें, it is the revenue or rather treasure belonging to the state of Goa. आतां सगळीं कोण आमगेले दुसरी पार्टीज, एक पार्टी उलयता की आपण फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दित म्हणून. We could have given health care, everything with this money, and electricity put as a side dish diवपा जाताली. As a bonus we could have given them with this money. Now the BJP should speak. कितकोन हे पैसे लॉस पड केल्या ते कितको आम गोंयकारांक दितले ते. सो मुगे मागणें गव्हर्मेंटाक कॉम्पिटिटीव बिडिंग जाय न्ही, ना जाल्यार कॉर्पोरेशन जाय न्ही, along with the corrective steps and the right persons to start that corporations. So पहिले हांव वॉर्निंग दिता की don't enter into deals, do justice to the people of Goa. म्हाका जाय auctioning process, revenue earned from mining to go to the people of Goa. Healthcare, everything could be part of the program. Education, healthcare, electricity, water should be the target with the revenue. हें जावपा जाय. हें जालें जाल्यार म्हाका सदां गोंयकारांक न्याय मेळटलें. And people are looking at all these things. People want justice to be delivered to the state as far as revenues are concerned.
But at this position, looking at the scenario, will it really happen? No auctioning or corporation getting?
See, there is no question of happening. It is the administration and the leadership that has to make it function. From 2012 till now, Chief Minister, the BJP Chief Minister, whoever he was, never said let us do auctioning. Now the Chief Minister is saying that we'll do auctioning. From 2012 सान आजपासून BJP रूल करता. आजपासून आज कितें auctioning म्हणटाय ते. So there's no question of happening. Because you all don't want to do, that is why people of Goa are suffering even more. आज मायन ओवर चोरला लागले, आणखी चोरला येसको वस्त जावपा लागले. So मुगे मागणे, it should happen and leadership should do it. Otherwise leadership doesn't do it, then there should be a change in the leadership or whatever. There should be a change in government.
No, but you are open for anything. Auctioning of mine or this also.
Auctioning म्हणते जावपाक जाय. Corporation देखून जाल जाल्यार competitive biddingaचेर highest revenue should be accrued to the state of Goa. Maximization of profit should be the goal of the government.
What is your fear?
Sorry?
What is your fear?
My fear is all that has been lost. गोंयकारांक इतूच लॉस जाला गोंयकारांक रेव्हेन्यू गोंयकारांचो रेव्हेन्यू तो लॉस जाला तो कोण दितलो पयलो आनी सेकंड आनी मुखार हे आनी करपा नाय मू गोलमाल तेका लागून हांवें पयलें प्रेस घेतला
एके सायडीच्यान तुमी हें म्हणटा एके सायडीच्यान आनी देट बीन एन इशू इन वास्को एज फार एज दॅट कोर संकल्प what do you have to say on that issue?
See, I have not gone through that issue properly, but one thing I want to tell you, I think our opposition leader should be the best person to answer this, and the party president. They should answer this. And for me, any कोण चोरला तेका हास्ती जावपा जाय. He has to be brought to book. Whoever has robbed, if there is a robbery, it has to be brought to book. And if there is a robbery, it has to be laid out properly and brought to book. Please, that's it.
Yesterday, CM once again said that as far as coal issue is concerned, we will reduce it by 50%. Can it happen? That जावंक जाता तशें, or it has to be totally stopped.
See, you know, आम कोतले म्हूण लोकांक फुडोवपा जायना. तुवें 50% रिडक्शन तुमी स्टेटमेंट तुमी आतां चोयला की लोकांक नाका कोल लोकांक ऑब्जेक्शन आहा कोलाचेर आनी तूं कितें सांगोसो दिता की आपूण 50% करता म्हणून एनीवे मुगे इश्यू मायनींग आहा आय एम ऑन अ पॉयंट वेर ऑक्शनिंग आय वॉज वन ऑफ द पर्सन आय एम यू नो मुगे विजन आसलेलें गोंयकारांक रेव्हेन्यू मेळपाक आनी रेव्हेन्यू गेन हेल्थ केअर एड्युकेशन मेजर इश्यूज लोकांक फ्री दिवपाक हें मुगे प्लॅन आसलेलें दीस इज माय विजन as a small man, as one of the most, as a small MLA of Goa, I would like to say that from Kutturi, I'm proud that my people have voted for me and given me an opportunity, and I would say this should be the vision.
You're talking about the healthcare, sir. So, when the ZP election dates are announced, then what is your reaction?
We are diverting from that mining. We are only one issue. Now we'll mix up.
Supreme Court has given order regarding the options of making society or auctioning the mines, and Cloud Alvarez also was on
Yes,
that.
it is a mining corporation, not society.
Society.
Don't mix. Society म्हळ्यार डिफरंट जाता. सोसायटी कितें जालें तें खबर आहा तुका. विजनरी सोसायटी तुगेले मडगांव urban सगल्यो सोसायटी कितें जालें तें खबर आहा तुका. आनी BJP was even responsible for destroying that societies. त्या नाका. आमकां जाय good governance, good leadership, who will take care of the interest of Goa. आनी आमकां तें फ्री म्हण तें कांय नाका. आमगे रायट आहा, हक्क आहा. हक्क मेळ्ळो जाल्यार आमकां why we want anybody's free. That's it.